I've heard some coon hunters talk about dogs that will lie.
Yeah.
What do they mean when they say that?
Tree up there and ain't nothing else.
Okay.
But I mean, a lot of dogs, like that old big dog there, he's a tree dog. You know, he trees coons, but no, he'll miss them some.
Right.
And a lot of people say that's lying. But when you're in these big woods, you can't really correct him for it.
Right.
But if he falls treed on a little old snag, ain't nothing up there, you got to correct him.
Right.
You know, you'll correct him, tell him to go on. I mean, he knows. I mean, they know when they do.
Speak sternly to him.
But usually the way he treed on that tree, he's usually got the coon.
Gotcha.
I mean, he's won several hunts. This boy here's won like 7 out of 10 with him. And usually when he does that by himself, he's got the coon.
This one, how far away you think that is?
I don't know, I ain't got my Garmin on me. He's a long way.